question. Have you ever heard someone say, he's being rude, and wondered why they didn't just say, he's rude? Same word, being, but a completely different meaning.
That tiny word actually has 5 totally different jobs in English. And by the end of this episode, you'll understand every single one, plus a bonus expression.
There's a 10-question quiz waiting at the end too, so stick around till the finish.
Let's get into it.
Floating topic bubbles.
Grammar, fluency, speaking, listening.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Learn. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Liam. Before we start, quick favor. If this episode helps you, please subscribe to Speak English with Learn.
Alright, let's start with the easiest use, being as a noun. Like, all human beings are equal.
Here, being simply means a creature. All human creatures are equal.
Or, I saw a strange being in the woods, meaning some kind of creature, maybe a ghost, who knows?
One more. Scientists studied tiny beings under the microscope. Again, just meaning creatures.
Now, use two, and this one's more interesting, being in continuous tenses.
Like, the kids are being very noisy. This means temporary behaviour, happening right now, may be unusual for them.
So they're loud right now, but that doesn't mean they're always loud.
Or they were being silly at the party. Again, temporary, not how they normally act.
Stop being so dramatic, it's just a bug. Meaning, you're overreacting right now, in this moment.
Here's something really important though. Being can't describe permanent qualities.
Right, you can't say he is being tall, because tall is permanent, it never changes.
But you can say he's being funny, because funny can be temporary, just right now, or unusual for that person.
Here's a great comparison. He is rude means it's simply his personality.
But he is being rude means right now, in this specific moment, he's acting rude, maybe unusual for him, or you're just describing this one moment.
So remember, rude can be either permanent or temporary, but tall can only ever be permanent.
Now, use 3, being after prepositions describing states, actions, or reasons.
Like, thank you for being patient. You're thanking someone for their patience right now.
After being criticized, she improved. So, criticism happened and then improvement followed.
She's afraid of being alone, meaning she's afraid to be alone.
One more. He apologized for being late, using for as the connecting preposition.
Now use for, and this is the trickiest one, being in passive voice.
Like, the car is being repaired. Something is happening to the car right now, and we genuinely don't care who's doing the repairing.
Right, the focus is entirely on the car, not on the mechanic.
The house was being painted when I arrived. I showed up and painting was actively happening at that exact moment.
Again, the workers doing the painting aren't the point. The house itself is.
The documents are being translated as we speak. Right now, in this meeting, someone, somewhere, is actively translating them.
One more. The bridge is being rebuilt this year. Focus completely on the bridge, not on the construction curve.
Now, use 5. Being plus a noun expressing a general truth.
Like, being a teacher is rewarding. Here, being basically equals to be. To be a teacher is rewarding.
Being a student during exams is stressful, meaning to be a student during exam season is genuinely stressful.
Being a doctor requires years of study, meaning to become a doctor takes years and years of study.
And very similar, being plus an adjective, also expressing general truths.
Like, being kind to others costs nothing. Always true. To be kind to others costs nothing at all.
Being late is unacceptable on a first date. Always true. To be late on a first date is just not okay.
Being confident is important for job interviews. Always true. To be confident really matters in an interview.
Now, here's your bonus expression. For the time being, a fixed phrase meaning for now.
Like, I'm not looking for a new job for the time being, meaning not right now, not at the moment.
For the time being, the old system will stay in place, meaning for now, nothing's changing.
I have no plans to change this for the time being. We're keeping things as they are, at least for now.
All right, quiz time. 10 questions. Let's see how much stuck. Question 1. She apologized because she was rude to me.
She apologized for being rude to me using being after the preposition for.
Question 2. I'm not usually lazy, but today I just don't feel like doing anything.
I'm being lazy today. Temporary behavior. Unusual for you.
Question 3. I'm living with my parents for now, but I'll move out soon.
I'm living with my parents for the time being using our bonus expression perfectly.
Question 4. People know that actor is friendly to everyone.
That actor is known for being friendly to everyone. Again, being after a preposition.
Question 5. For artists, it's important to be creative.
For artists, being creative is important. Being plus an adjective expressing a general truth.
Question 6. Alien creatures may exist in other galaxies.
Alien beings may exist in other galaxies using being as a noun.
Question 7. To be a scientist can be dangerous.
Being a scientist can be dangerous. Being plus a noun.
Question 8. She's excited because she will be promoted to manager.
She's excited about being promoted to manager. Being after the preposition about.
Question 9. We can't use the elevator because they're repairing it right now.
We can't use the elevator because it's being repaired. Passive voice, focus on the elevator, not on whoever's fixing it.
And question 10. To be a subscriber to this channel is a great way to improve your English.
Being a subscriber to this channel is a great way to improve your English. Being plus a noun and also a nice hint to hit that subscribe button.
Great job if you got all 10. Let's do a quick recap of all 5 uses plus the bonus.
1. Being as a noun meaning a creature. 2. Being in continuous tenses, temporary behavior only.
3. Being after prepositions, states, actions, or reasons. 4. Being in passive voice. Focus on the thing something's happening to.
5. Being plus a noun or adjective expressing general truths, basically the same as to be.
And the bonus, for the time being, meaning for now.
5 uses, 1 small word, And now you actually understand every single one.
If today's episode made being finally make sense, please like this video, subscribe to Speak English with Learn, and share it with someone learning English too.
And here's your challenge. Pick one use of being from today and write your own sentence with it in the comments.
We read every single one. Thank you so much for being here today.
See you in the next episode.
Bye everyone.